What's up, Peak Timers? It's race day, and today we've got Ferraris versus Hypercars. We're gonna do a race tournament to find out which team is the fastest. Make yourself an official Peak Timer by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn those notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video. And here's our first 4 cars that are racing. We're gonna do 4 races with 4 cars each. Each winner from each race will move on to our finals. We've got the Lamborghini Veneno and the Bugatti Veyron for the Hypercars, and we've got the F430 Challenge and the F12 Berlinetta for the Ferraris. Let's get set for race number 1. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Veneno just takes the win at the light for Team Hypercars. Now we've got our next set of racers. For Ferrari, we've got the Ferrari Enzo and the Ferrari California. And representing the Hypercars, betraying its siblings, it's the Ferrari LaFerrari on the Hypercar team and the Bugatti Chiron. Here we go for race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And the Ferrari California puts Team Ferrari on the board with the win in race 2. Now we got race number 3 cars all set. We've got the McLaren P1 and the Koenigsegg Agera R for Team Hypercars. For Team Ferrari, we've got the F40 and the FXX. Here we go for race number 3. On your mark, get set, go! And the Ferrari F40 puts Team Ferrari up 2 races to 1 for our finals. But now we're set for race number 4. Representing Team Ferrari, we've got the Ferrari 360 Modena and the Ferrari F50. For Team Hypercars, we've got the Aston Martin Vulcan and the Porsche 918 Spider. Let's go for race number 4. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Ferrari 360 Modena that takes the win in race number 4. But now we are set for our finals, and check this out. We've got a Lamborghini Veneno for Team Hypercars and 3 Ferraris, the California, the F40, and the 360 Modena representing Team Ferrari. That means it's all up to the Veneno to get a win for Team Hypercars here. We're doing a best of 3 for our finals, race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And Ferrari takes race 1 in our finals with the F40. Come on, Veneno, you gotta get a win here for the Hypercars. Here we go. Race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And there we have it. The Ferrari F40 takes the win for Team Ferrari. There they are, our winners. Sorry to Team Hypercar, you guys lost, including you, LaFerrari, that betrayed your family and moved to the Hypercar team. Let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite car that raced today, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.